Hello my friends, welcome back to my POPMAX video. This is incredible, right? So every single day the daily earning in POPMAX is increasing on a daily basis. So again, I want to share this result from our team members, specifically from my upline, who is earning $300 per day right now. Okay, last time I showed you a video that he was making 270, and then from 270 to 280, I think, and then from 280 now to over $300 on a daily basis, guys. This is awesome. Okay, so he sent this screenshot, and this is just great for you to see people winning in this platform, right? You can see from here it is over $300. Okay, that is a big $29 gain from the previous video that I did, which is great. So if you are looking to join this platform, it is entirely up to you how much you want to use to start this platform. But we are starting this platform with just $100 in USDT BEP20, and you need about $5, maybe 10 for BNB for gas fees, okay, for you to get started. Now, what I am recommending is when you register and you want to start this platform, please do not start with 10 days, because you are going to earn very little percentage per day. The one people are going for, okay, the one that is generating this money that you are looking at, this $300 every single day, is the 360 days contract. That is the one that you are earning 1% on a daily basis, guys. Okay, so if you would like to join this platform, please, I highly recommend you choose the 360 days. Now, the good thing is you can not only add $100, but you can even put $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 up to, there is no limit of amount that you can use to stake in this platform. Now, what are we staking? We are staking for PPT. Okay, and that PPT has been listed, is a token that has been listed in the top 5 crypto exchanges in the world. Right now, it has been listed in Bybit, Bitgate, MEXC, Gate.io, and BitchX, and they are looking to list it as well in Binance. If you are looking to stake and earn more money in POPMAX, the link to do so is below this video description. And just to add this to my video as well, for those of you that are growing their team now, remember, this is not mandatory. It's not compulsory that you must refer your family member or your friends. But if you choose to do so, okay, this is on you. Okay, if you choose to do so, if you choose to grow your team, you will earn 15% direct referral bonus, okay, from whoever you are going to refer. This has no rank at all. All they need is to register with your link and then stake their $100. This platform said they will reward you with 15%. If you want to begin to rank up, then you are going to begin to refer more people. For example, minimum of 3 people for you to rank P1. The total volume of those 3 people should be about 30K if you want to earn 10% check match, right? So this is great, guys. For people that are interested in sharing this platform with their friends and family, you will earn extra money. But as I said, you do not have to do that, because your staking and your reward model is already listed here, and this is what you earn without referral. You do not have to refer anyone to earn this money, guys. So the link to join is below this video description. I have done a video for people that are using computer and people that are using mobile phone. So please follow the link below this video description. Prepare your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet, right, with 100 USDT BEP20, and add a little bit of $5 worth of BNB, and then register and begin to stake under 360 days contract. Remember, your money, which is your capital that you are using to stake, will be given back to you when you complete your 360 days, if you choose to earn 0.1% daily. If you choose to do the 10 days for 0.4% on a daily basis, you are going to be giving back your capital as well. So whichever contract you choose here, you will get given back your capital without any problem at all. Okay, so that is me. This guy, my upline, is earning over $300 on a daily basis. It's entirely up to you how you want to treat this platform. If you want to treat it as a business, or if you want to treat it as, passive income, it's entirely up to you. If you want to treat it as a business, then you will need to begin to share it with people. If you want to treat it as passive income, then just stake your money, $100 minimum, and there is no limit to the maximum amount you can stake, and then begin to earn on your own passively, automatically, and you can also withdraw on a daily basis. Okay, now remember, this platform is operating on the blockchain, and it is decentralized, and it is also running on Web3 infrastructure. For those of you that are into crypto, you should know what Web3 infrastructure means, because that is the rest of mind that we get when we join POPMAX, knowing fully well that our money is safe and we are going to be earning on a daily basis. We are going to be able to withdraw without interference on a daily basis. So once more, the link to join is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my team. Thank you and God bless.